students, welcome back at your own channel Maths Vera, where we are here to discuss the academic part of our mathematics. Before starting with the academic parts, I would like to pull your attention towards a thought, and the thought of the day is an arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. Is it? Yes. If you want to hit an arrow, what you have to do? You have to pull it back, right? Directly you cannot throw. If we will throw it, it might not be achieving the target, and it won't be having that much force. Okay? So if you want to hit a target with an arrow, so you need to pull it back. How we can relate it with the today's conditions? Because today's conditions are what? We all are what? Like freeze. Okay, we have freeze. Everything is what? Stopped around us. We are not able to go out. We are not able to do many activities. We are not able to go in the crowd. So many of the things, many of the work are pending. Working in a school with the school work is easy. Working at home with the home atmosphere is also easy. But working at home, right, doing school's work with the home environment, somewhat it makes what? Difficult. Right? So right now it may be possible because of the COVID-19, we might be what? Slower in our activities, or many of us might be thinking now I have lost everything, but this is nothing in that way. It is what? We are being an good arrows, we are pulled by the God backward in back direction. Okay, what does it mean? As soon as the condition will be what? Normal, we will have to double our speed, and with that double speed we have to hit our target, we have to achieve our goals. So with the thought, let's go ahead in our daily academics. So let's start with the academic part. Before starting, just a quick recap. In the previous video, we have introduced the chapter number 12, that is area related to circle. In that video, what we have done, we have gone through the components of the chapter. It means what we are going to learn in chapter number 12, that is area related to circle. We have seen the parts of circle which we were saying from the grade 6. In those parts we have gone through what is radius, what is diameter, what is circumference, what is area of the circle, then what is sector, what is minor sector, what is major sector. We have gone through what is segment, what is minor segment, and what is major segment. Okay, then we have seen the different formulas also, like that area of circle is equal to pi r square. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi. Then if you are thinking about the area of sector, then area of sector can be found out by theta upon 360 into pi r square. If you are finding the arc length, then the arc length can be found out by theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, like this we have gone through all the components, whatever we are going to deal with. Now since the circle is what? The part of our life, so there are many different areas where we are using the circular shapes. There are many designs where we are using the circular shapes. So this is what one of the beauty of mathematics, in which in the daily routine we are using the mathematics. We are using the circle, we are using the circumference of circle, we are using the sector, segment, and the length of the arc. So by using these many formulas, we can apply our daily mathematics logic in our daily life. Okay, so hopefully you have gone through the video of introduction and the different formulas which I have done it again as recap. Now let's start with the exercise number 12.1, and the first sum is
The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles.
so let's formulate the sum. So sum says, what is given first? The radius 1, that is let it denote by capital R, is 19 centimeter. Radius of a second circle is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, and what else is given? There is what a third circle whose circumference, okay, whose circumference of third circle is equal to circumference of circle 1 plus circle 2. Right or not? So if you will find out the circumference of both the circle, you will get the circumference of the third circle. So therefore what we can do? Therefore circumference of third we will denote it by pi r cube, that is 2 pi r cube. Let the circumference of the circle 3 is C3 is equal to C1 plus C2. Right? So what we do? 2 pi r3 is equal to 2 pi r say 1 and say 2 pi r, that is more smaller. Okay. So here what it will be? 2 pi r3. We know that this is 2 pi into 19 because r is equal to 19, and then 2 pi r is equal to what? Into 9. Right? What we can do is 2 pi r3 is equal to 2 pi will get common, and then 19 plus 9. This 2 pi and this 2 pi will get cancelled, and very easily what we will get? The radius third is equal to 19 plus 9, which is equal to 28 centimeter. Is it? This is what? Very easy sum. Now the next sum, which is also based on the same application or same principle. What is the second sum? So let's go ahead with the sum number 2.
The radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles.
Let's formulate the sum number 2. What is given in that? Given again same thing. Radius 1 is equal to 8 centimeter. Radius 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. What we have to do? We have to find out the radius of that circle whose area is equal to sum of the areas of these two circles. Okay, so according to sum, area of circle 3 is equal to area of circle 1 plus area of circle 2. What does it mean? It means that pi r3 square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Again the same thing, taking pi common. Okay, that is pi r3 square and then pi r1 square plus r2 square. So what we get? This pi and this pi cancel, and then r3 square is equal to what is r1? 8. What is square of 8? 64. r2 is what? 6. What is square of 6? 36. In this way we are getting r3 square is equal to 100. Therefore r3 is equal to 200 is equal to plus minus 10. But minus 10 cannot be a radius, so it will be rejected. So plus 10. Okay. Therefore what it will be? Therefore r3, that is the radius of third circle, is equal to 10 units or 10 centimeter. Let's go ahead with the sum number 3. And the sum number 3 is
Figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring areas from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 cm and each of the other bands is 10.5 cm wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions.
What 5 different circles are given. The innermost is what? Gold circle. Okay, and what is given in that? Given that is diameter of gold region. Right? This is equal to 21 centimeter. If the diameter is 21, so what will be the radius? Okay, radius of gold region. It is 21 by 2 centimeter. You can go ahead with 10.5 also. We will be going ahead with the 21 by 2. And after that, what is this radius? This is what? It is 21 by 2. Right? And afterwards, it is told to us that every region, the width is what? 10.5. That is 21 centimeter. Is that okay? And what is given the additional information? The every region next to A is what? The width of the next every region is 10.5. What is 10.5? Again 21 by 2. Okay, so if you will increase, okay, or if you will see the radius of the next circle, in that next circle what you have to do? You are going to add again 21 by 2. Right or no? Right now what you can do? This is what the radius 1. Okay, R1, and this is what the radius R2. Okay, for gold region the radius is R1, that is 21 by 2. But when we will go with the next circle or next color, right, the radius will be what? 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2. In the third one again plus 21 by 2. Okay, in the next again it will be what? 21 by 2 will be added, and in the last one again 21 by 2 will be added. Okay, so how to do it? Therefore what you can do is, therefore area of gold region, very easy to find out, that is pi, should I write R1 square because the first one we are finding, and here we can write down each region's width is equal to 10.5 centimeter or 21 by 2 centimeter. This is also what an additional information given to us. Right now we are finding the gold region, area of the gold region. Here in the sum we have to find out all the area of the 5 regions. Okay, the 5 different colors are given, that we have to find out. This is equal to, okay, pi means 22 by 7. Here R1 is 21 by 2. Its square is what? One more time we will write. So 7 ones are, 7 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 11s are, right? Okay. So therefore it will be what? 11 into 21 into 3 upon 2. Right? So if you will multiply and then divide, it is 11 into 3, 33, and then 21 into 33, or 33 into 21, that will be easy because 33 ones are 33, 3 carry 32, 33 2s are 66 plus 3 69 upon 2. Okay, so therefore you will get area of gold region is equal to 2 3s are, then 2 4s are, right, then 6s are, and then 5s are centimeters. Radius of red region. Red region is equal to what? R1 plus 21 by 2 or 10.5, anyhow you can do. This is equal to what? 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2, which is equal to what? 42 upon 2, or simply it will be what? 21 centimeter. Now we are finding the red regions area. Okay, so if you are finding the red regions area, means this much only, not the gold region. Okay, so simply what you can do, you can find out the area of red circle minus area of gold circle. Is that okay? So how will you do? We go ahead like this. Therefore, area of red region, this is equal to area of red circle minus area of gold circle, right? So what it will be? Area of red region is equal to, area of red is equal to what? 22 by 7 into r square, that is simple 21 into 21, then minus 22 by 7. Again area of gold circle, what was area of gold circle? Directly this also you can do. Okay, that is 346.5. Easy. Now 7 ones are 7 threes are, right? So here what you can do, 21 into 3 is what? 63 into 22. 63 ones are 63, 63 twos are 126. So that 6 I am writing, and 12 is what? Carry. So again 63 ones are 63 twos are 126, 6 here, 12 carry. Again 63 twos are 126 plus 2 128 plus 10 138. So the area of red region, that will be area of red circle, that is what? 1386 minus 346.5. It will be equal to, here 0, so 0.5 is 5, then here it is 5, 5 minus 6 is not possible, so 15 minus 6 is what? 9, 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, right? 3 minus 3 is 0 and 1 as it is. What is this? It is area of red region, not red circle. This is area of red region. Now area of blue region. This is equal to what? Area of blue circle. Correct? Right? Area of blue circle minus area of directly red circle. Easy? Right? Area of red circle, because we have already area of red circle. And area of blue circle, for this what will be the radius? Radius is equal to 3 into 21 by 2. Is it so? Because first 21 by 2, then second 21 by 2, and then third 21 by 2. Okay, so this also we can do. So it will be 22 by 7, that is pi r square. So 21 into 3, that is what? 63 by 2 into again 63 by 2 minus, what is area of red circle? Here we have find it out. What it is? Area of red circle is equal to 1386. So area of red circle is equal to 1386. And the calculation is what? 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. Then 11 into 9 is what? 99 into 63 upon 2. So after the calculation, let's see what it comes. 99 into 3, what it will give? 297. Because 100 threes are 300, so minus 3. So it is what? 297. So carry is what? 29. Right? Then 99 into 6. First 100 6 are 600. Then remove 6 from that. That is 200. Sorry. That is 594. 594 plus 9. Okay. 594 plus 9 is what? 603. then plus more 20, 630, 623. Okay, so 623 divided by 2, which will give you, here it is minus 1386, which will give you 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, again 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, then 0.5 minus 1386, which is equal to 0.5 as it is. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 8 is not possible, so from this one we borrow 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. This became 0. Now we'll borrow 1 here, so it is 10. 10 minus 3. Okay, that is equal to what? 7. And then 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So this is what? Therefore, area of blue region is equal to 1732.5 centimeter or unit square. First, for black region, what will be radius? That is fourth part, R4. So it will be what? 4 into 21 by 2, right? So 2 1s are 2 2s are, and then directly it will become 42 centimeter, right? 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 into 21. Okay, so again same thing. Therefore, area of black region is equal to area of black circle minus area of blue circle, right? The previous part we have to subtract. So area of black circle for black region or for black circle, the radius is what? 42. So pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 42 into 42 minus. What is area of blue circle? Here only we have got, that is area of blue circle is what? It is 3118.5. Okay, so 3118.5. Is that okay? Yes. And after this calculation, 7 1s are and 7 6s are, right? 7 1s are 7, 7 6s are 42. Now the calculation part we have to see. 42 into 2 we will do first, or later on we will do. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 4s are 24 and 125 minus 3118.5, right? Again, if you will multiply 252 by 2, it is easy. 252s are 500, so 504, right? 504. 252 2s are 504, so 50 carry, right? 252 2s are 504, 4 here, 50 carry. Again 252 2s are 504 plus 50, that is 554 minus 3118.5, which will give you what? Here 0.0 will be there, and from that if 5 will go, it will be 0.5. Now here it is 3. So 3 minus 8 is not possible. So 13 minus 8 is what? 5. This became 3. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. 5. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. So therefore, what is this? This is nothing but area of black region is equal to what? 2425.5 cm square. Now area of the fifth region, okay, that is now for white circle or white region. Anything you can write. For white circle, the radius r5. Since it is what? The fifth circle, so we are writing it as what? r5, and it is what? 5 times of 21 by 2. Correct? Because fifth time of that 21 by 2, that radius. Okay, so it will become 105 by 2, right? Therefore, how will we get this? Therefore, area of white region is equal to area of white circle minus area of black circle, because recently we have got this area of black region and area of black circle. This is equal to 5544. Okay. Now area of white region can be, if I get out like this, 22 by 7 into the radius square, that is 105 upon 2 and again 105 upon 2 minus area of the black circle, where it is this one 5544. Okay, 5544. So this can be given as 7 ones are 7 and then 7 fives are, that is 15 sevens are. Okay, and then again same thing, 2 into 11. Right, now anyhow you can multiply 15 ones are, or 11 will multiply later on. What is this? 11 into 15 fives are 75 and 15 ones are 15, that is 15 and 75 minus 5544. Now easy to do, right or not? Let's see. 1575 into 1 is what? 1575. So just write down the unit place, that is 5 as this. This 157 is what? As a carryover. Okay. Now again 1575 into 1 is what? 1575. In this what we have to do? We have to add this 157. So 5 plus 7 is what? 12. 1 carry. 7 plus 5 again 12. Plus 130. 1 carry. 5 and 1 6 and 1 what? 7. And then this 1 minus 5544. And then if you subtract it, 5 minus 4 is what? 1. 2 minus 4, so 12 minus 4 is what? 8. 2 minus 5, then 12 minus 5 is what? 7. 6 minus 5 is what? 1. And then again 1. So centimeter square. Therefore what? Area of white region is equal to 11781 centimeter square. Now let's go for the next sum. And the next sum is,
the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour?
given that diameter of wheel is equal to 80 centimeter. So the radius will become 80 by 2, that is 40 centimeter. Is it? Yes. After that, what we have to do? We have to find out the number of revolution. Okay, and even the speed is also given, that is 66 kilometer per hour or 66 kilometer in 1 hour, 60 minutes. So what we have to find out? Time given to us is what? That is 10 minutes. Okay, or 10 by 60 hour. Okay, so here what we can do is, first of all what we have to find is what the number of total revolutions in 10 minutes. Now one revolution means what? A circumference. Now if we will count so many units of revolutions, in short what we are finding? In short we are finding the distance covered by that wheel in 10 minutes. That will give you the full total distance. Okay, and that distance divided by the circumference will give you the number of revolutions. Okay, find number of revolutions in 10 minutes. Here what we have to do? Therefore, number of revolutions in 10 minutes is equal to total distance covered in 10 minutes. How many in 10 minutes? Divided by circumference of circle. Okay, this. So in short, what we will do? This is equal to what is total distance covered in? That is 66 kilometer into 10 by 60 r. Right? Here we can write down 10 upon 60 r. So simply what it will then divided by circumference. How to find out? It is 2 pi means 22 by 7 into r means 40. So here this 0 will get cancelled. This 6 and this 66 means 11 kilometer. And here nothing we can do. What we will do? This 7 will take upside. So it will be 11 kilometer. Purpose we are writing the a might let you know into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 40. Now the downside means what the denominator are what centimeter and this distance is in kilometer. So we need to change. So therefore it will become 11 kilometer. First we will change into meter convert. Okay. So for converting this we have to multiply by 1000. It will be what 11,000 meter. But even we don't want meter, we want centimeter. So again it will be multiplied by 100 and then at last 7 and then it is 2 into 22 into right. So here 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. This 0 we can cut with any one 0, right? So finally what we are going to get? We are going to get 00, and 7. So it can be like this, or 2 ones are 2 50s are again 2 ones are 2 25s are then 4. 100 divided by 4 is what? Again 25. So 25 into 25 is what? 625 into 7. Right? And then total number of revolutions in 10 minutes is equal to 7 into this one. So 7 5s are 35, then 7 2s are 14 and 3 17, then 7 6 are 42 and 43. That is what? 4375. The next sum you can consider it as your home fund. Okay, and the sum is this one that you can do. Okay, only you have to go through it and then you have to take the correct answer. Right? Now here we have completed exercise number 12.1 happily. So here only we will take a halt and very soon we will meet in our next video with the next exercise at your own channel Maths Vela. Till that time, be happy, be at home and be safe. Thank you.